Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video, we want to show you how to set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Watch 5. And so as you can see, we have our Galaxy Watch 5 here, and first thing you need to do to set up Samsung Pay is go to the Samsung Pay app. So what you do is tap on the screen to wake up the watch, swipe up to get to your apps, and then slide down till you see Samsung Pay app. And the app that says Pay is the Samsung Pay app. Tap on that. To open it up, it says press and hold back key to open app. And so we're going to press the back key, which is here. If you look at the side, the top button is the home button, and the bottom is the back button. So press on the back button or key to open app. So we're going to press it and hold. And it kicks us to this menu. It says Samsung Pay, the simple, safe, smart way to pay. And if you scroll to the left, it said this is the symbol, which means that you can pay with your watch at the register or at any credit card reader. Then it says again, press and hold the back key on the watch face. And so when you're at the home screen of your watch, where it generally shows the time and stuff, and you get ready to purchase something, you're at the register, you press the back button, which is right here, and hold it to activate Samsung Pay. And then it says swipe the screen to select the card. And so that means really if you have more than one payment card, credit card or debit card in your watch, so you can have like 2 or 3, say for instance Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, and you can swipe from left to right to choose which card you want to use. And then you would turn your wrist toward the card reader, and it says hold near a NFC reader to pay. So generally that's a credit card reader. Twist your wrist like that so it can pick up information from the watch. And so now it says start using Samsung Pay now. So we're going to tap on that. It kicks it to the phone here. Phone menu opens up, and we'll take our device and then we'll hit start. Once you hit start, it asking for your Samsung account to verify that you are the person owns the device and you're setting up Samsung Pay. And so after you get your password in there, hit OK. And then it says Samsung Pay is now ready to use on your watch. Add a credit card or debit card for more convenience. You'll need to unlock the screen on your watch to add a card. And so we're going to hit add a card. And then at the bottom it says, and it says here, it says set a lock on your watch to use Samsung Pay. Tap set lock to open the settings on your watch. So tap set lock. And it says check and watch information. And so it prompted the watch to go to a different screen here. So the screen here now it says to what lock type do you want? You want a pattern or a pin? We're going to go with pin. Then we're going to just choose something simple for the video here. We're going to go with 3399, enter it. Then wants to verify it, so we're going to do it one more time. 3399, enter. And as you can see, it put a blue check mark on the phone. And so it took the new pin. Remember, it was 3399. So now we're going to hit next. And now it's asking for the card that you want to put into your the card you want to set up for your Samsung Pay. So the card we want to set up today is a Capital One card, and what it wants us to do is to turn it around to the back where the card information is, the credit card number, and then position it inside the frame there, and it's going to read it and pick up the information. So after we've scanned the card, it picked up the necessary information at the top. And now all we need to do is hit next. And so it puts us to the next screen where it says issuer's term of service. And what we just need to do is scroll up through all that, hit agree to all. And so now you see the card up there at the top. And so the card is up there. It wants us to open up our banking app to do some additional verification. So now it says, let's verify your card. So you can use it wherever you see Samsung Pay logo, and it says pending approval. And then at the bottom, you just hit approve for Samsung Pay. And so it puts us to the next screen, said for your security, going through a two-step verification. As we're going to go with tap my card to the back. So you're going to take the card itself, put it behind the device, and it says verifying card. So now it says, after putting the card on the back, it says your card has been activated, happy shopping, and that this card is available on Samsung Pay. Hit done. So as you can see, it took the Capital One card. It is in Samsung Pay. And so if we were to come all the way out of this and go back to the home screen, we're going to set the device down. And now we're going to go to the watch. And so we're going to swipe up. We have to put our pin in, 3399. And now we're into the watch. And then so if we wanted to use Samsung Pay, and we want to activate Samsung Pay like we're at the register. So we're at the home screen. So we push the bottom button and hold it. It's going to ask for our PIN. We're going to put in the 3399, and this is as we are like we're paying for something. Hit the check mark, then it pulls up the card. And then once it pulls up the card, you turn it toward the NFC card reader or the credit card reader, and it will pick up the information that your watch is giving. So that's it for our video for today, how to set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Watch 5. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.